cubic means power is 3. So the formula is a plus b whole cube. Formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is the formula for a plus b whole cube. Now in these two, last two, 3ab will be common. Third and fourth term. In these two, what is common? 3ab is common. So this I can write a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b. Correct? So the final formula for a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube is, yes, a plus b whole cube, we write a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b. So from this formula, I can eliminate the value of a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube I can eliminate. So this term I will take it on this side. So you will get a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube. Minus 3ab into bracket a plus b. So this is the formula which we have derived for a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into bracket a plus b. Now what important observation you have to see, because in examination students are confused with plus minus sign. If it is plus sign, then in bracket it is plus and outside it is minus. Outside minus. So plus, yes, if it is outside plus sign, if between them plus sign, then bracket plus sign, inside bracket plus sign, outside bracket minus sign, that's all. So the same formula we can derive for a and 1 upon a. What is that? Tell me. A cube plus 1 upon a cube will be a plus 1 upon a whole cube minus 3ab. 3ab, b is 1 upon a into a plus 1 upon a. So a get cancelled. So a cube plus b cube, a cube plus 1 upon a cube, formula is a plus 1 upon a whole cube, a plus 1 upon a whole cube minus 3 into bracket a plus 1 upon a. Again you have to remember this, whenever it is plus sign, inside bracket plus, outside minus. So a cube plus 1 upon a cube is a plus 1 upon a whole cube minus 3 into a plus 1 upon a. So whenever it is a and 1 upon a, then instead of 3ab, it will be 3 only. As we have seen in the quadratic, it is 2ab plus 2ab, but whenever it is a and 1 upon a, it will be only plus 2 or minus 2. Yes? So this is the formula. Then, so this formula you have to remember. This derivation part will not be asked in the exam, only you have to remember the formula. Then, second, now let us take a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube, whenever it is a minus b, you have to change the alternate sign. It is first a cube, then minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So remember, whenever it is plus, everywhere it is plus plus plus. But whenever it is minus, you start with plus, minus, plus, minus. So this I can write a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube. Then what is common in them? Tell me. What is common in them? Second and third term. Yes. So that is minus 3ab is common. Then what is left? A minus b is left, because we take the minus sign common in these two. So finally a minus b whole cube is this. So from this I can eliminate a cube minus b cube. What will a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube will be a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into bracket a minus b, and this is the formula a cube minus b cube. So again, what observation you have to make? Whenever it is minus, it is inside bracket minus, outside it is plus. Whenever it is minus, inside bracket minus, outside bracket plus. That's all. The same for yes. The same formula we can derive for this a cube minus 1 upon a cube, minus 1 upon a cube. So without looking at this formula, we can write the answer. A minus 1 upon a whole cube. So inside bracket minus, outside it will be plus. Inside minus, outside plus. So 3 into a minus 1 upon a. That's all. Correct? So this is the formula for a cube minus 1 upon a cube. So derivation part is not required, only you have to be thorough with this formula. So you should not get confused. Whenever it is minus, inside bracket minus, outside bracket plus. That's all. So now based on these two formula, we have to solve our exercise 4b. We have to solve our exercise 4b. 4b, not b. Yes, so we have to solve our exercise 4b based on these two formula, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube, a cube plus b cube, and then a plus 1 upon, yes, a plus 1 upon a whole cube, a minus 1 upon a whole cube. That's all. So what you have to remember in the formula, whenever left hand side it is plus, inside bracket plus, outside bracket minus. That's all. Whenever it is left hand side minus, inside bracket minus, outside bracket plus, and the terms remain same. And the terms remain same. Only how to remember that formula I have explained. So let us solve. Let us solve exercise 4b. Exercise 4b. Exercise 4b, let us solve. Yes. Now first find the cube of. Find the cube of. Find the cube of. Cube means power 3. Find the cube of. First 3a minus 2b. 3a minus 2b. So 3a minus 2b whole cube, a minus b whole cube formula, correct? So this will be homework. 5a plus 3b. 5a plus 3b. Find the cube. Third, 2a plus 1 upon 2a. 2a plus 1 upon 2a, where a is not equal to 0. Same thing, a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube, or x plus y whole cube, x plus y whole cube. Then fourth is 3a yes. Then 3a minus 1 upon a. 3a minus 1 upon a whole cube, where a is not equal to 0. So all these I am giving homework, because you have to use the formula a minus b whole cube or a plus b whole cube. Is it clear? Now second question, yes, so do this homework. Easy part I will give homework. Second, if a square plus 1 upon a square, if a square plus 1 upon a square is 47 and a is not equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0, find the value of find first a plus 1 upon a plus 1 upon a, then second a cube plus 1 upon a cube, a cube plus 1 upon a cube. Is it clear? So let us solve this, no problem. To find a plus 1 upon a, I will consider a plus 1 upon a whole square. I will consider a plus 1 upon a whole square. And what is the formula? Yes, a plus b whole square, find here, a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. Yes sir, plus 2. This is the answer. correct? Formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus 1 upon a we have to find. So that we keep as it is. A plus 1 upon a whole square. A square plus 1 upon a square. This value is given. 47. So 47 plus 2. So a plus 1 upon a whole square is 49. But we want to find the value of a plus 1 upon a. So taking square root on both the sides. Is it clear? You are given the value of a square plus 1 upon a square. To find a plus 1 upon a, I will consider a plus 1 upon a whole square and use the formula a plus b whole square and simplify. So a plus 1 upon a whole square is 49. A plus 1 upon a whole square is 49. So taking square root on both the side. Taking square root on both the side. Yes. So taking square root on both the sides. So taking square root on both sides. Taking square root, you will get a plus 1 upon a is square root of 49. So a plus 1 upon a is square root of 49 is plus minus 7. You have to take both the signs, plus 7 as well as minus 7. You have to take plus sign as well as minus sign. So first part is over. Now we want to find a cube plus 1 upon a cube. To find a cube, so what is the formula for a cube plus 1 upon a cube? Yes? Yes, a plus 1 upon a plus 1 upon a whole cube minus 3, inside plus, outside minus. So 3 into a plus 1 upon a. But see here, a plus 1 upon a is having two signs. So there I will consider two cases. Case 1, you have to consider two cases, because see, square of negative and positive is always positive, but cube of negative and positive will be different. So we have to consider two cases. Then a plus 1 upon a is plus 7. Case 1, when a plus 1 upon a is plus 7. Then a cube plus 1 upon a cube will be a plus 1 upon a, that is 7 cube minus 3 into 7. 7 cube is, yes, 343. 343, correct? 7 cube, 7 into 7, 49, 47 into 9 is 343. 49 into 7 is 343. So a cube plus 1 upon a cube, a cube plus 1 upon a cube, a cube plus 1 upon a cube, a cube plus 1 upon a cube is 343 minus 21. So a cube plus 1 upon a cube is 3 minus 1, 2, 4 minus 2, 2, 322. Answer is 322. This is first case, when a plus 1 upon a is plus 7. Now case 2. Case 2, when a plus 1 upon a is minus 7. So now we replace the value by minus 7. We get a cube plus 1 upon a cube is a plus 1 upon a whole cube minus 3 into a plus 1 upon a. Now we replace a by minus 7. So that becomes minus 7 cube minus 3 into a plus 1 upon a is minus 7. So minus 7 cube minus multiplied 3 times. So it will be minus 7 cube 343. Then minus into minus plus 21. So minus and plus opposite sign you have to subtract and take the sign of bigger number. So that is minus 322. So a cube plus 1 upon a cube is minus 322. So in one case it is plus 322. In second case it is minus 322. So we write final answer, we write a cube plus 1 upon a cube is plus minus 322. Plus minus 322. a cube plus 1 upon a cube is plus minus 322. Because in case 1 it is plus 322, in second case it is minus 322. So we write plus minus. Is it clear? So whenever it is square, we directly write plus minus. Because square of positive and negative is positive. But whenever it is cube, you have to consider separate case. Whenever it is plus sign, whenever it is minus sign. Okay. Now, third question. Yes. Board is clear, madam. Board is absolutely clear. Whenever you find problem, you see your internet connection or you can rejoin, no problem. Now third one, a square plus 1 upon a square is 18. A square plus 1 upon a square is 18 and a is not equal to 0. Find the value of first a minus 1 upon a and second a cube minus 1 upon a cube. Second a cube minus 1 upon a cube. Let me do one problem of this type also. A cube. So let us solve this. A square plus 1 upon a square is 18. You want to find a minus 1 upon a. So you will consider a minus 1 upon a whole square. Consider a minus 1 upon a whole square and use the formula a minus b whole square. That is a square plus 1 upon a square, then it will be minus 2. Correct? If it is minus, it is minus 2. A square plus 1 upon a square value is given 18. So a minus 1 upon a whole square is 18 minus 2. So a minus 1 upon a whole square, a minus 1 upon a whole square is 16. A minus a upon a minus 1 upon a whole square is 16. So taking square root of that. So you will get a minus 1 upon a whole square is 16. So taking square root on both the sides is what you will get. You will get a minus 1 upon a is square root of 16. So a minus 1 upon a is square root of 16 is plus 4 or minus 4. So we take plus minus 4. This is the value of a minus 1 upon a. This is the value of a minus 1 upon a. Now we want to find a cube minus 1 upon a cube. So second, a cube minus 1 upon a cube, we write down the formula, that is a minus 1 upon a whole cube. If it is minus, inside bracket minus, outside it is plus. So 3 into a minus 1 upon a. But a minus 1 upon a has two values. So we write case 1. When a minus 1 upon a is plus 4. When a minus 1 upon a is plus 4. When a minus 1 upon a is plus 4. When a minus 1 upon a is plus 4. So a cube minus 1 upon a cube. A cube minus 1 upon a cube. Find out. A cube minus 1 upon a cube. A cube minus 1 upon a cube. A cube minus 1 upon a cube. This will be a minus 1 upon a is 4. So that is 4 cube minus 3 into 4. Sorry, plus 3 into 4. Plus 3 into 4. It is plus. Plus 3 into 4. So 4 cube is 64 plus 12. And that is 76. Correct? How 78? 76, no? Here? 3 into 4, okay. So a cube minus 1 upon a cube is plus 76. Let us take other case. Case 2. When a minus 1 upon a is minus 4. 1 upon a is minus 4. Then a cube minus 1 upon a cube is a minus 1 upon a, that will be minus 4 cube plus 3 into minus 4. So that is minus 64 plus into minus 12, that is minus 76. So a cube minus 1 upon a cube is minus 76. Yes, so finally we write answer. So finally a cube minus 1 upon a cube is plus minus 76. Plus minus 76. Clear? Okay. Then fourth part. Fourth part. A plus, instead of number you are given the variable. Fourth part, a plus 1 upon a is p. A plus 1 upon a is p. Instead of number you are given a variable p. And a is not equal to 0. Then show that a cube plus 1 upon a cube is p into p square minus 3. P into p square minus 3. So consider left hand side. What is that? A cube plus 1 upon a cube. Use the formula. That will be a plus 1 upon a whole cube minus 3. Inside plus, outside minus. Minus 3 into a plus 1 upon a. Now you put the value of that. A plus 1 upon a is p. So that becomes p cube minus 3p